right, let's get this going. Never forget to reach in there and get all this out, everybody. One year I cooked it with it in there, back when I was young. Now I'm old. I know about these things now. We need plenty of butter.
They absolutely loved those pumpkins. Did you get everything out this side and that side? This.
Out this side. Folks, I know I said I'd gotten wise in my old years, but I'm still young and dumb. There's some stuff in here that I didn't get. What in the world? Look at here, everybody. There's a little bundle over here. I think the way I want to do this is melt this butter down a little bit.
Okay, melt it.
And season all the butter and rub it in underneath the skin.
Okay. Is that melted enough?
A little bit, just a little bit too much.
Oh,
I want it to be kind of a...
So you should have said the correct word was softened.
That's what I said, softened.
Oh, I thought you said melted.
Girl.
I thought you said melt down.
You better see it when you edit this
Replay.
video.
Replay.
Did I say soften or melt? I think the way I want to do this is melt this butter down a little bit. Melt this butter down a little bit. Melt this... Alright everybody, let's season it up. I done put in a little bit of this touch of cherry. We're putting in some black pepper now. And just do this to taste. I'm gonna put in a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of parsley. Now this is the secret ingredient this year. Smoked paprika. It's got a good smell to it. I mean, that stuff smells good. And this does definitely amazing things to your food. Let's take this little spoon here and mix it up. And just get it good and coated with this butter. A little bit of celery.
All right, y'all, it is, what time is it? 10:17. Manny said happy Thanksgiving. We'll bring our list over here. I already have most of the stuff done in the refrigerator. It just needs to bake, like the dressing, the green bean casserole, the macaroni and cheese. I still need to make the mashed potatoes. I already baked the sweet potatoes for the sweet potato casserole. I just need to, mash them and put it together. Me and Sissy are about to make the punch. I'll go ahead and start the smokies. And y'all, I forgot to do the rolls yesterday. I looked at the list one time and I was like, oh yeah, I need to start the rolls on their first rise. Completely forgot, but it's okay because we have some rolls still. So we'll go with store-bought rolls again this year. This lima beans and corn, it's not gonna take long, so I'm gonna wait until probably about 30 or 40 minutes before we're ready to eat to even start that. Titus is gonna do the gravy. I can go ahead and start the eggs too for the deviled eggs. We'll go ahead and boil those. The carrots and squash, I'll put that in the oven about 45 minutes before we're ready to eat too. I'm gonna make these little smokies in this pot back here and go ahead and get them warm. And then I have a little slow cooker that my brother gave me for Christmas one year. It's Pioneer Woman when it was a 2-pack of little Pioneer Woman slow cookers. When we get them done, we're gonna put them in here on warm. Thank you, ma'am. So at 2 o'clock, the Christmas tree farm opens, and on their website it says that they're going to be open today from 2 to 5. We're going to call them at 2 and make sure that they're open because the guy who we normally buy our trees from isn't here this year. I don't know if he couldn't get a lot or what. I know that the past couple of years, or at least last year, he had to switch to a different lot because the other one that he used to use wasn't available anymore. So we may have had trouble finding a lot here this year. We rode around looking last night, and he's always here by Thanksgiving. So we're gonna have to go somewhere else to get our tree this year. And the one that we're going to is a choose and cut. So we'll get to go out there and cut it. All right, so we've got our smokies in there. We're just gonna dump in some barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of sweet chili sauce to these this time. We have some from the farmer's market. I'm using Kinder's hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. Here comes a little bit of the sweet chili. And we're gonna put a little grape jelly. We always add a little grape jelly in there with them.
Mama, here's my instructions.
no. Okay, we'll let that start simmering and it'll be easier to mix. Oh, he said his destruction. You meant your construction?
Yeah, I made it a house full of cars.
Yeah. Cece's over here mixing up the sweet potato casserole.
Let the fun begin. Okay, let me grab this
I got a
thing.
present for you. Close your eyes.
You do?
Yes. Open.
That's sweet. That touches my soul right there. And you would love me enough to say I loved you with a tater. That's looking like Thanksgiving right there. Oh, if I could have set them Indians and them pilgrims down and fed them some of this. Set down Indian style right here. Look, do you think I need to probably put this in a little bowl? I think so.
We're drizzling some olive oil on our carrots and squash. We're gonna put some garlic powder and Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter here and there too. Oh, let it snow, let it snow.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your happy song? Gloria.
So you'll just get a tag. Go ahead and get a tag and put your name on it. So you'll attach that to the bottom part of the tree.
Let's go.
Look, some goats. Cece's talking to them. There's a maze over there. You put your name tag on the tree that you pick. Only trees with price tags are for sale. Drag tree near gravel road. Attach tag with last name to tree. Tree will be delivered here, back up where we started. Okay. Cut your own tree. They also have weddings here. These are pretty. This smells like a Christmas forest.
Look at them mountains.
Yeah.
Here it is, right? $100.
This one?
How you like that, Mom?
I feel like I want one just a little bit taller than this one. Just a little bit taller.
Well, here. This one right here does almost
'Cause-
like a little Whoville thing. I don't know if that's a field goal or if that's some kind of hoo-hoo.
Or horseshoe.
Yeah.
Have you found one yet that you like?
This is a really good one.
Oh, that one does look pretty good. Oh, mainly he thinks this one.
This is a good tree right here. It's about the right height.
Yeah, it is tall. It's tall enough, yeah. The more I'm looking at this one, Daddy, I don't know about this one.
Okay, well, let's look for another one, bro.
I like that one. It's too, like, the limbs are all going instead of just, you know. I like this one, but it's not tall enough, but I like its needles. Look how pretty that is. See how it's more, it looks fluffy. You see that?
This is a nice little tree. Yeah. This is a very nice little tree.
You can't just jump at the first tree you see. You gotta inspect that tree. You've gotta imagine that tree in the living room. Oh, I sounded like I did a little Steve Urkel thing there.
You like that one?
I think so. Let's look around.
That's a good tree.
Let's look around it. Yeah, I think this is a perfect tree here, I
All right, boys,
believe.
this is the one right here. Hold this. This is gonna put.
Is
We're
this-
gonna put moss on this one right here.
Is that one good? You think? Like, you think the height is...
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
How tall is it? Who's got the tall
That one's
pole?
gonna be 7 foot when we cut
Who's
it off.
got the pole
I'm gonna chop
measure?
it right here. It's 8, but I'm gonna cut it off right here. That's the one, boys. Here we go. Timber.
Candy canes grow on these trees. That's fun, right?
Daddy, I just gotta meet this.
Who is that? You want a free sample?
Skittles, marshmallows, and caramel M&Ms.
Which one you want to try?
You want to try caramel M&M? You want a Skittle or a marshmallow or a gummy cluster? Skittle.
Okay.
Solid choice. It's like eating clouds.
I just ate for the first time in my whole life freeze-dried frosting. What did it do? I put it on my palate, and I didn't even get the smack good, and it just went away. That's the reason I know that you can eat all you want to. You don't have to worry about no
Yeah,
calories.
it just evaporates.
It evaporates, so it don't really get down into your tummy. We're gonna shake the tree, everybody. We forgot to put it on the shaker up yonder. Okay.
That's good.
Woo!